Welcome to a unique opportunity to turn your YouTube watching routine into a lucrative venture, earning $3 per minute. This method transforms screen time into quick cash, ideal for content enthusiasts or those seeking a fun way to earn. Let's start by addressing the preliminary steps. Firstly, create a YouTube account, a pivotal step for maximizing earnings later on. It's a simple and free process on YouTube.com. Payment options are diverse, including PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and more. PayPal, a widely accepted and trusted platform, offers instant and seamless transactions. Now, let's explore SproutGigs.com, the online marketplace connecting freelancers with business owners worldwide. This platform offers various ways to make money online, including watching videos in your spare time, requiring no technical expertise. The earning potential on SproutGigs.com is impressive, with users from diverse countries earning hundreds or thousands of dollars. Manage expectations? It's a supplementary avenue, not a replacement for your primary income. To get started, sign up on SproutGigs.com, providing basic information. Once logged in, your dashboard displays job listings with different earning potentials. Select Video Marketing to find tasks related to watching videos. Workers are expected to watch YouTube videos for at least 9 minutes without skipping, liking the video. Mute the video and let it play in the background for passive earnings. For maximum results, consider completing other tasks on SproutGigs.com, such as liking Facebook posts or clicking on links. While pay may not be exceptionally high, the effort is minimal, making it worthwhile. SproutGigs.com provides flexibility. Complete as many tasks as you like to accumulate earnings quickly. Some users are already making thousands of dollars, highlighting the platform's earning potential. If you found this valuable, give the video a thumbs up and comment below your country name. For questions, comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.